Welcome to this Jom Classifieds video tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to install the Jom Classifieds package to your Joomla website. After you have purchased your subscription from jomclassifieds.com, you'll be able to download and unzip the folder. You'll then need to log into the Joomla admin backend panel of your website. Once there, you will select Extensions, Extension Manager, and then you should be in the Install area. If not, make sure you're in the Install area, which on 3 is down the left hand side, and in 2.5 will be a menu item above. If you're using Joomla 3 and have installed the Install from Web tab, then make sure you click on the Upload Package File tab. You'll then be able to choose the file where you will browse and locate the correct version for your Joomla site. Then click Upload and Install. Joomla will then upload and install the Jom Classifieds package to your server. You should receive a success message and a list of the component, modules and plugin that have been installed. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Jom Classifieds package to your website. We hope you enjoy Jom Classifieds.